Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue, and I'm back with another video.
Come to my motel. Slide you the key, baby, don't tell.
Okay, let's get started. These are the tools that you'll need. First thing I'm going to do is comb my hair out and make sure there's no tangles. Then I'm going to section my hair off into a small part, and I'm going to take my spray bottle and I'm going to spray that part of the hair. Next, I'm taking this blue flexi rod and I'm putting it behind the hair. Then I'm going to take the ends and I'm going to wrap that around. It's important that you wrap the ends so that you don't have any straight pieces of hair. And after you wrap your ends, you're going to curl the rest of the hair all the way until the top. So the ends you wrap and the rest of the hair you curl. Okay, so once you get to the top, you're going to take your flexi rod and you're just going to wrap it around nice and tightly. That's going to give it that nice tight curl, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how you do this on the next one. For my art, money can't buy love, but girl, my heart costs. I think of all the times you did me wrong. Okay, so here's what I like to do. I like to comb the hair out first, then spray it, and then comb it out again, just so that the water gets through the hair thoroughly. So here I am again. I'm gonna wrap the ends, and then I'm gonna curl it all the way until the top. I'm going nothing, and you feel some kind of way, little bitch. Why you mad? Fix your face. I'm going nothing, and you feel some kind of way. I'm going nothing, and you feel some kind of way. Now you feel some kind of way. Go ahead and fix your face. Okay, so once you get to the top, you're gonna put your flexi rod into this U shape right here. Make sure it looks just like this, and then you're gonna take that and you're just gonna wrap it around. And you're gonna, as you're wrapping it around, you're gonna pull it tightly. And that's what's going to give the curl a definition, the tight curls that you want. Now you in your feelings, call your new man. I don't need you, I got a new fan. Had to work it out, I got a new plan. Now I'm spitting gold like I got a new. Okay, so please don't forget to comb your hair out after spraying it. This is going to distribute the water throughout the hair, and the water is going to help hold the curls. So one more time, we're wrapping the ends, you guys. Wrap the ends, and then for the rest of the hair, you curl it all the way until you get to the top. And once you get to the top, you're going to put it in that U shape and you're going to wrap it around tightly. Okay, the key to achieving this look is symmetry and layering. So whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. So I have 3 small blue flexi rods on one side, so I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so we're finished with the blue flexi rods. We have 3 on each side at the front. Now we're going to go in with the orange flexi rods. We're going to use the same method, of course. You put the flexi rod behind the hair, wrap the ends, and then curl it all the way to the top. I'm going nothing, and you feel some kind of way. I'm going nothing, and you feel some kind of way, little bitch. Why you mad? Fix your face. I'm going nothing, and you feel some kind of way. Okay, so I'm placing the orange flexi rods at the top front, and this is what's going to give the hair definition and also help with the layering. I don't feel no more pain, only felt clouds of rain, but I had to restrain your love like minimum wage. I work too hard for you, girl, I'm too small for you, and I don't know why I ever gave my heart to you, and that shit wasn't through, cause baby girl, you wasn't real at all. Now every time you hit me up, I decline your call. Here is where your orange flexi rods should lie. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm living with the stars, cause baby I'ma shine even when the time get dark. Still right by your side even when the times was hard. When autumn came around, that's when we started falling off. Focused on my craft, getting paid for my art. Money can't buy love, but girl, my heart costs. Next, we're going to use the purple flexi rods. These are much bigger, so we're going to put them at the bottom front. The bigger the flexi rods, the bigger the curls, and we want the big curls to be mostly at the bottom.
Fix your face. I'm going up and now you feel some kind of way.
My lace was showing you guys, but we're just gonna act like we don't see that.
Fix your face. I'm going up and now you feel some kind of way.
Okay, so the placement of the purple flexi rods at the bottom front is complete. Next, we're going to use the gray flexi rods and we're going to place those at the top of the back.
But why you had to lie and now you want to cry? Now I'm getting high just to get by, cause I've been without you, I sleep without you, I ain't think about you, I don't want you, I'm killing beats.
When you're done with the gray flexi rods, this is what the back should look like. And to complete this look, we're going to use the pink flexi rods at the bottom of the back.
I don't want you, all your excuses, everyday mood swing, shit so confusing. Though we was a winning team, but I see we losing. Now I don't give a fuck what you doing. I think about the times you did me wrong.
This is what you should have when you're done. Everything should be the same on both sides. Okay, so this next step is optional, but I like to use Got2b freeze spray just to hold it in place. And the Flexirod set that I ordered came with a bonnet, but as you can see, it didn't fit. So I'm just gonna use a scarf. I'm gonna wrap my hair before I go to bed. So it's the next day and I'm going to take my scarf off and I'm going to just unwrap these flexi rods. When you take the flexi rod out, you should have these nice bouncy curls that bounce right back into place just like that. You could choose to leave it like this, but I'm not going to leave it like that. But I'm just going to show you guys the rest of the hair and how it looks when I take it out. Look at the definition in these curls, like yes.
I'm going up and now you feel some kind of way. Now you feel some kind of way, okay? But you was only your phase and you had me in the days. Now I'm not moving the same.
Okay, so this is what you'll have when you take your flexi rods out, and like I said, you could choose to leave it like this, but I'm not gonna do that, so I'm just gonna take my fingers and detangle it.
And that shit wasn't through, cause baby girl, you wasn't real at all. Now every time you hit me up, I decline your call. Hey, live it up today, cause I might not see tomorrow. Hey, Curry with the pull up, grind, they set the bar. Hey, had to give you space, now I'm living with the stars. Cause baby, I'ma shine, even when the time get dark. Still right by your side, even when the time was hard.
Okay, so in the end, this is what you'll be left with, some nice, big, defined, layered curls. And this hair that I have in is old and it's also dry, but I still got these bomb-ass results. So yours will probably be even better. So I hope you guys liked it, and I hope that this helped.
Fix your face. I'm going up and now you feel some kind of way.
How many more hey you guys do I have to say until I'm a YouTuber? Come on. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.
Baby, won't you come to my motel? If your man mad, baby, oh, oh, oh.